We chemical engineers, when we go in market in search of the books, subject-wise books, we find that there are a number of books on the basis of publication house and on the basis of authors, right? Even for one single subject that there are a number of books, so we get confused. But don't worry, the Fortunates team has sorted out this problem. What we did, we bought every single book under one umbrella and then sorted them out on the basis of recommendation and then finally put them in one specific folder. So you don't have to search here and there. So in this video, I'm gonna share that platform with you guys. And watch this video till end, because at the end of the video, we have one more solution, one alternate to all the books, so that you don't have to even look into number of books also. So here I am Puneet, all the way from IIT Madras. Let's get started. Before we discuss about that platform from where you can access all the books, I would like to tell one more thing, that how we have sorted out all those books. So there were three conditions. On the three bases we have sorted out. Number one is that what professors recommend in the institutes, in well-renowned institutes throughout the world. Number two, what has been recommended or suggested to me during my bachelor's and master's degree and through which I cracked the national exam also, that is GATE. And finally, the well-recommended books on Amazon. So these were the three conditions. On that basis we sort them out and put them together on that specific platform. So without any ado, let's come back to the platform. The platform name is Amazon. So the Amazon has an initiative where you can make a small website on the Amazon website. Like we also made it. The Fortunates team have their own small page, or you can a small website on the Amazon website. So here we have sorted them out. Here we have sorted all the books. So you can see, starting from, we have the chemical engineering handbooks, we have process calculations, process design and economics, chemical technology, PDC, thermo, heat transfer, CRE, fluid flow, mass transfer, and some GATE books. So if you just have to go on one specific page, just click on that one. So you will see all the books related to mass transfer. Similarly, for the case of heat transfer, you will see all type of books, right? So this is what exactly we have done. So this website will help you to easy your surfing of books. So check this out. The link will be in the description box. Okay. Like at the starting of the video, I mentioned that there is a surprise at the end of the video, right? So basically, like during my bachelor's and master's degree and during my preparation for the GATE exam, I read number of books. Okay, and then finally I put them together at one single place. I squeezed everything and put it at one specific place, and those are my handwritten notes. Okay, so if you are interested, you can access them, and they will be detailed notes, there will be quick revision notes, so you don't have to go here and there, and you don't have to keep looking for books just to look for one specific definition or one specific formula. Everything will be at one place. Okay, so these are like on the basis of 6 to 7 books I read, and then I put them in one single notebook. So if you're interested, you can go through it. I will show you that website also right now. The website name is InstaMojo, and here we have uploaded all our handwritten notes. So these are quick revision notes, and with time we are like compiling everything and making some detailed notes also. So very soon we will see more detailed notes. Or for the time being, like you can see it here, we have heat transfer, thermodynamics, PDC, MO, mass transfer, fluid flow, we have chemical technology, CRE, process calculation, and economics. So these notes are quick revision notes, and you will see very soon we will have the detailed notes also. Okay, so this is the website. The website is, like I said, the website name is InstaMojo, and here we have our own store with the name The Fortunates. So check this out. The link will be in the description box. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like the content. I hope you like the resources. So that's it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.